What's going on, guys? My name is Michael Pedrotti, and today I'm going to show you a super simple system that you can use so you have affiliate programs basically just delivered to you every single day without having to pretty much do any work at all. So the tool we're going to be using is called Feedly.com. Now, Feedly is a RSS reader. Now, if you don't know what an RSS reader is, basically it's going to just read the RSS feed of a website, and what that is, most like WordPress sites, basically all the latest blog posts come in and they'll be shown to you like in the RSS feed. And basically what this does, it turns that feed into something that's readable, and you'll be able to see all the latest posts at a glance. So, you know, you're probably asking, well, why wouldn't I just go to the website and look at it? Well, as you can see here, I have a bunch of different blogs put into the software, and it aggregates every single thing into one easy to read list. So I can just scroll through and just see what all these people are posting about. So the benefit of this is you can find offers. For example, like right here, we got like exotic car hacks review. So if this guy is writing about exotic car hacks, then, you know, they've probably got an affiliate program, which will actually know for a fact that they have an affiliate program. But, you know, if you didn't know, it's going to be delivered to you right here. You're going to be able to see it. And as you can see, like, we got some here like Kibo Code. Like, if you don't know what Kibo Code is, that's a very popular program that's coming out. Funnel University, which is like something to do with ClickFunnels. Like, here we go, like Long Rich Bioscience. Who knows what that is, but of course you'll be able to have a look at that. Social Bounty, Kajabi vs Podia. Here we go, a bunch of different things that you can look at, right? Another thing is you can add them to like a separate list. So once you find something you like, you can actually go, I've created a board that says ads we need to review. You literally just save it, and then it gets put into a thing, ads that you need to review. So very simple. Another thing that you can do is you can actually explore. So if we just click on explore here, we're going to be able to see that you know, we've got a bunch of different sections that we can look at. So like, we can look at marketing, but say my niche is affiliates, right? So we go affiliate, and then we can see here they've got like a couple different websites, and we see like this one, let's say Affiliarama. We can just click on it, and we can just add them to the list. And then now we should have, okay, we can just see all articles. We can see like their most popular posts, and we can sort it out by the latest post, but this is simply because I've clicked all posts. But we can just sort of see what they're posting about. So like, here we go, let's just look, making doodle animated videos with Doodly. So I'm sure if we look at, like, I don't know what Doodly is, but let's have a look at it. I'm going to be certain if they're writing about it, then there's going to be an affiliate program for it. So scroll down, and yeah, as we can see, they've got an affiliate program. Easy. And like, what did that take? That took less than 30 seconds to add this blog to this list, identify one of the posts, and find the affiliate program. This is super simple, and no one does this. Like, I used to just go through and just be searching Google all the time, and I just found that the same sort of sites just kept posting things that you want to be looking at all the time anyway. So I just put them straight into Feedly, and it works. And like, Feedly's free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it's going to save you a ton of time finding offers. Now, that's pretty much it for Feedly, but there is one more thing that I just want to show you, and it's called Munch-Eye. Now, Munch-Eye is basically just for internet marketing launches. So there's actually a list here. This is probably the only list you want to take notice of, and it's like called big launches. Now, you can have a look through here and it shows everything like JVZoo, ClickBank, everything, and it just shows like the upcoming launches and what's coming out when. So you can sort of get prepared if you want to jump on a launch. Now, like, this is good if you're doing or if you're more of an advanced affiliate, because like jumping on a launch, you kind of need like an email list, or you have to have some sort of advertising where you can be able to sort of promote it to an audience fairly quickly. So not saying you can't do it, but just have to be aware that not all of these things are going to be a home run, and you may invest time into one that is just simply not going to make you any sales. For example, like I looked at, there was one on here a while ago that was actually, it's already on ClickBank, and it only had a gravity of 2, which basically means it came out at this, I think it was the start of November, and only 2 affiliates have made a sale on it within the past 90 days. So yeah, you just have to be aware that not every launch is going to be successful, and you may end up wasting your time. But I'm just showing you guys just to, you'll be able to see like a big list of affiliate offers here. And with this as well, another thing to take note of is the featured. So like we can look at the featured thing, we can see like agency reel, like these are the ones where they've spent money basically to promote on the site, or these site owners are trying to drive traffic to it. But you can see the agency reel, Kibo code, which is going to be massive, fade to black. These are ones that you'd probably want to be having a look at, like Funnelify, whatever that is. But you can have a look and just find these offers, and yeah, that's pretty much right in front of you. So with Feedly, very simple, just click add, put in the website link, and then it's just going to add it straight to the list on the left hand side here. It doesn't get any simpler than that, and you're just going to be getting delivered basically affiliate offers for whatever niche you're in, like every day. So I hope that helps you out. I hope it's going to save you guys a lot of time, and yeah, that's it. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.